everyone. So now we will install the storefront. We can use the same ISO that we used to install all other components, but we will not use the auto select. We will go in the folder x64 and we will install the storefront directly from here. So in this video we will only install, we will not configure anything. So the storefront needs IIS and the storefront software itself, so those two will be installed. Okay, after a few minutes it's done. Just click finish and it will ask you to reboot the server. Okay, the server has restarted. We'll just check if it was installed correctly and we don't have any errors. Okay, looks good. From here on, the configuration starts. We can create a new deployment or join an existing server. But for this video, we stop here. Thank you.